On today's video, I have a review of the vintage Louis Vuitton Roxbury Drive. Hello everyone, it's your Luxe Queen Jackie and welcome back to my channel where I do reviews of all types of handbags. Today's review is going to be the vintage Louis Vuitton Roxbury Drive. The Louis Vuitton Roxbury Drive is a vintage bag. It is discontinued. You can only get it pre-loved. I got this one pre-loved, I would say about 4 years ago. It is a beautiful and stunning bag, as you can see. This one is in the amaranth color. It's in vernis leather, Louis Vuitton vernis leather. Look how beautiful and shiny that is. It has the LVs. See, you can see it better like this. You can see the LVs and the Louis Vuitton markings. It's so beautiful, but in the vernis leather with vachetta leather trimming and gold hardware. It has a strap so that you can wear it on your shoulder or you can wear it in your hand. It's a wonderful and perfect bag for going out in the evenings. I really love this bag so much. I was after this bag for a long time and I wanted it either in this color or in the black, and I am glad that I found it in this color because, you know, we women, we have so many black bags, but something like this doesn't come along a lot. This bag is 7 inches high, 12.5 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. Like I said, it's discontinued, so you cannot get it at Louis Vuitton. You have to get it pre-loved in sites like Fashion File, Rebag, Yugi's Closet, The Real. They carry sometimes this bag. It's not easy to find. It took me a long time to find this one, but it is out there. I've seen it in black, I've seen it in beige, in this color, which is the amaranth or like the eggplant color. I've seen it in red. It's beautiful in red. Let me show you the inside of this bag. It closes with snaps. It has 4 snaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just snap it together. So it's a very secure bag. The bag is closed. Nothing's gonna fall out. Really good. So when I open it, snap. This is the inside of the bag. It has a brown lining and it has one inside pocket. It says Louis Vuitton, made in Paris. And as you can see, this one is in great condition. It's beautiful. It hardly has any marks, any scuffs. I really take care of my bags. Look at the front and the back, the bottom and the sides. It's a beautiful bag in beautiful condition. The vachetta is also in great condition. No marks. It's an amazing bag and I really am in love with this bag and I will never get rid of it. Now I'm going to show you what fits in this beautiful and elegant bag. We have my Victorine wallet, my mini pochette accessoire, which I use as a catch-all, my keys, my makeup case, antibacterial gel, my charger, my glasses. I am not going to put my phone in because I'm using it to film, but I'm going to put the cover so that you can see. I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's the big one, and I'm going to put the cover so that you can see. Everything fits in there perfectly. Look at that. And let's close it up. Snap, snap, and everything's in there, everything's secure, nothing's falling, and we are ready for a night out. Beautiful. I love this bag because I have clutches that I love, including Saint Laurent clutches. I have even Louis Vuitton clutches, and this bag, what I like about it is that you can fit a lot in it. It looks elegant enough to go out at night on a date, on a dinner, but it holds a lot. So you don't have to just have like a little card case and your phone. You can actually have whatever you need to carry with you, your necessities. So this is why I love this bag. The only thing that you have to be careful about with this bag is with the vachetta. You cannot go out in the rain. You should not go out in the rain or in the snow with this bag, because if the vachetta gets wet, you can get little marks that really are hard to get out if they do get out. So when it's raining, keep your bag at home, use something else, because you do not want to damage this bag. Thank you so much for watching my review of the Louis Vuitton Roxbury Drive. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. And keep watching my channel. I do reviews on handbags all the time. So I will see you on my very next video with another review.